session, we will explain about the explanation text, but we will introduce ourselves first. Stay tuned ya guys. Bye!
First, the definition of explanation text. Explanation text is a text which tells the process of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks.
Second, social function. The social function of explanation text is to tell the reader how something works or why something happens.
Next, types. The types of the explanation text is sequential explanation atau urutan suatu fenomena. Tell the detailed stage of an event. Example, how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. And then, causal explanation atau penyebab perubahan suatu fenomena. Explain the details what causes the change. Example, why tsunamis occur and how president is elected. Generic structure. First, general statement. Stating the phenomena or issues which are be explained atau area yang berisi penjelasan umum mengenai fenomena yang akan dibahas. Second, sequence of explanation. Setting a series of steps which explain the phenomena or issues, di mana menjelaskan mengapa dan bagaimana fenomena tersebut terjadi. Third, closing. Stating a conclusion atau kesimpulan. Nah, closing ini bersifat optional.
First, using the simple present tense. The pattern is subject plus verb 1 plus SRES plus object. Example, food passes through the esophagus. Second, using passive voice. The pattern is to be plus verb 3. Example, human body is made up of countless millions of cells.
Third, using chronological connectors like first, second, next, then, after, before, in addition, finally, and in the end. Fourth, abstract nouns. Abstract nouns adalah kata benda yang tidak berwujud. For example, beauty, process, love, and others.
Next, action verbs. Action verbs adalah kata kerja yang menjelaskan aksi. For example, do, make, remove, and others. And lastly, technical terms. Technical terms adalah istilah teknis yang terkait fenomena. For example, precipitation, condensation, and evaporation. Last but not least guys, we have an example of the explanation text for you guys. And let's reading together.
Let's see some example of explanation text. The first example of explanation text is about digestion. Paragraf pertama teks ini menjelaskan secara umum konsep pencernaan, sehingga generic structure-nya adalah general statement. Paragraf kedua membahas tentang urutan proses pencernaan yang terjadi di mulut. Paragraf ketiga menjelaskan bagaimana makanan melewati kerongkongan hingga diserap oleh usus. Dan paragraf keempat menjelaskan proses makanan diubah oleh enzim kimiawi hingga diteruskan ke aliran darah. Paragraf 2, 3, dan 4 ini menyampaikan secara detail mengenai tahapan pencernaan di dalam tubuh, sehingga generic structure-nya adalah sequence of explanation. Agar teman-teman lebih paham tentang teks ini, yuk kita bahas language features-nya. Pertama, menggunakan simple present tense. Terdapat pada kalimat from the mouth, food passes through the esophagus. The food passage into the stomach. Passes is verb 1 plus es. Kedua, menggunakan passive voice to be plus verb 3. Misalnya, is made up, is needed, are needed, is cold, is broken, can be swallowed, is mixed. Ketiga, menggunakan chronological connectors seperti then.
Okay guys, to get understanding, let's doing the assignment. Untuk soalnya bisa kalian akses di link berikut ya. Selamat mengerjakan. Good luck.